you.
Hey guys, and welcome again to the new basic learning, and this is the part 3rd in the continuation. The chapter was about the seed structure and germination. The structure we have already discussed. The germination part also we have discussed, but the germination part is still left about the types of germination. The germination we have done. What is germination? So the types of germination we are going to discuss here. So let's begin with the types of germination. Mostly there are two types of germination. So the types of two types of germination are there, which is apigeal and another one is hypogeal. Now I will explain you with the help of a diagram. Then it will be more clear to you properly. Suppose this is the earth, or you can say soil. Okay. This is the So suppose this is the plant and this is the cotyledon. This is below the soil. The cotyledon, this is the cotyledon. So when the cotyledon is below the earth, below the soil, then it is called the hypogeal germination. Hypogeal germination. Okay, and when the cotyledon is above the earth. Okay, when the cotyledon is above the earth. So this germination is called the apigeal germination. This is the cotyledon. So by the name only you can remember that the above part means above the soil. When the cotyledon is above the soil, then it is called the apigeal, and when the cotyledon is below the soil or earth, that is called the hypogeal germination. Hypogeal example, you can take the pea seed, maize grain, and for the apigeal you can take the example bean seed. Okay, and one thing also I want to tell you that so the above part the part which is above the cotyledon, this is the cotyledon. The part which is above the cotyledon, this is called epicotyl, and the part which is below the cotyledon, this is called hypocotyl. By the name only you can understand that the epi means above, and geel, we are talking about hypogeal and apigeal. So geel means earth. The meaning becomes above the earth. The same is for the hypogeal. Hypo means below. Hypo means below, and geel means earth. So the full meaning becomes above, below the earth. Above the earth, apigeal. Below the earth, hypogeal. The part which is below the cotyledon is called hypocotyl, and the part which is above the cotyledon, that is called epicotyl. Sorry, that was a part below the cotyledon, that is called hypocotyl. So now there is a special type of germination. One more special type of germination is there, which is called viviparous. Viviparous germination. The name of this special germination is called viviparous, and it is most commonly found in only mangrove trees. Example, in mangrove trees. Rarely found in mangrove trees only. So, what is a viviparous germination? When the seed inside a fruit, it germinates, but still it is attached to the parent plant. Suppose in mangrove trees, the fruit is like this. Okay. It will germinate in the fruit part only. This comes out first. When it will start germination, the fruit will come out. Sorry, the seed will come out. Inside the fruit, the seed is present. So the seed will start germinate. So when the seed will germinate fully, suppose this was the fruit, and when it comes fully out, when it matures, so it falls down. It is most found in the wet region. वेट रीजन, ये वेट रीजन नहीं फाउंड होता है सबसे ज्यादा. तो जहां पानी होता है या फिर कोई गीली जगह होती है, तो ये जो फ्रूट में जो सीड प्रेजेंट होता है, जब ये जर्मिनेट होता है तो ये नीचे गिर जाता है. मान लो ये पानी है, सो इट फॉल्स आउट एंड मान लो ये यहाँ पे आ गया. ठीक है, बनाना टाइप में इसकी शेप होती है, थोड़ी सी, पूरी नहीं, थोड़ी सी उसके स्ट्रक्चर में होती है. ये पूरा इट विल रन, कोई सी भी डायरेक्शन में वो चला जाएगा और बाद में कहीं और जाके जर्मिनेट हो जाएगा. इट विल स्टार्ट, इट विल बिकम अ न्यू प्लांट, मैंग्रोव प्लांट. ठीक है, एक अलग मैंग्रोव ट्री बन जाएगा. फिर मान लो ये आपका मैंग्रोव ट्री है. ओके, विविपेरस प्लांट्स वो होते हैं जहां पे फ्रूट के अंदर जो सीड होता है वो जर्मिनेट होता है, लेकिन वो जो सीड है वो अभी भी पेरेंट प्लांट से अटैच्ड है, वो जर्मिनेट बाद में होगा. ठीक है, सो इसे कहते हैं विविपेरस जर्मिनेशन एंड द एग्जांपल इज मैंग्रोव ट्रीज. इट इज मोस्ट कॉमनली फाउंड इन ओनली ऑन दी mangrove trees. So the chapter seed structure and germination ends here only. For the next part, stay happy, stay tuned. Until then, goodbye.